Welcome to Math Challenge 402. In Math Challenge, we bring you important questions for Olympiads and all competitive examinations, mathematical and numerical aptitude tests. In Math Challenge 402, we have to find out the square root of an expression that itself contains a radical sign. 9 minus square root of 32. And we have to find the square root of this expression. So extracting the square root of 9 minus root 32, that is Math Challenge 402. Math is where beauty, logic, and simplicity converge into a passion. So with that passion, appreciating the beauty, logic, and simplicity, let us solve the question extracting the square root of 9 minus root 32. Now, we are given square root of 9 minus root 32. Now, the square root of 32 can be written as square root of 4 into 8. 32 can be written as 4 into 8, that is square root of 4 into 8. Now, square root of 4 into 8 is square root of 4 into square root of 8. Square root of 4 is 2, so we get 2 root 8. Square root of 32, we are writing as 4 into 8 square root, and square root of 4 into 8 is 2 root 8. So instead of root 32, we will be writing 2 root 8. So writing root 32 as 2 root 8, we get square root of 9 minus 2 root 8. Square root of 9 minus root 32 now becomes square root of 9 minus 2 root 8. We have written root 32 as 2 root 8. So the expression is square root of 9 minus 2 root 8. So square root of 9 minus 2 root 8. Now 9 we write as 8 plus 1. Instead of 9 we are writing as 8 plus 1. So we are getting square root of 8 plus 1 minus 2 root 8. We wrote root 32 as 2 root 8 and 9 we are writing as 8 plus 1. So we are getting square root of 8 plus 1 minus 2 root 8. So 8 plus 1 minus 2 root 8. This is the expression for which we have to find the square root. So the expression was square root of 8 plus 1 minus 2 root 8. Now 8 is written as root 8 whole square. 8 is root 8 whole square. Square root of 8 whole square is 8. 1 is 1 square. And 2 root 8 can be written as 2 into root 8 into 1. 8 can be written as square root of 8 whole square. 1 can be written as 1 whole square. 2 root 8 can be written as 2 into root 8 into 1. So we are getting square root of 8 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into root 8 into 1. So 9 we wrote as 8 plus 1. Root 32 we wrote as 2 root 8. And 8 we are writing as square root of 8 whole square. 1 we are writing as root 1 we are writing as 1 whole square, and 2 root 8 we are writing as 2 into root 8 into 1. So the expression is under root 8 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 root 8 into 1. Now we can identify the expression under root as a minus b whole square. Root 8 is a and 1 is b. So we are getting a square plus b square minus 2ab. Root 8 is a, so a square. 1 is b, so b square minus 2 into root 8 is a and 1 is b. So we are getting a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. So we are getting actually a minus b whole square, that is root 8 minus 1 whole square. And when we take the square root, we will get root 8 minus 1. We will prefix the mandatory plus or minus sign. So plus or minus within bracket root 8 minus 1, that is a square root required. Root 8 you can also write as 2 root 2. So we can write as root 8 minus 1 or 2 root 2 minus 1, that is a required square root. Only prefix the mandatory plus or minus sign. So this is the answer using the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square. The square root will be simply a minus b, that is root 8 minus 1, and root 8 can be written as 2 root 2, or we can write it as root 8. Prefixing the mandatory plus or minus sign, we get the required square root.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.